And as this pandemic continues, you may remember this field hospital being built back in the spring at the Connecticut Convention Center. Well, now Hartford HealthCare is announcing a similar site. It is an alternative care facility to help those battling the virus. As Fox 61's Carmen Chow shows us, this is a team effort of the state's Department of Health and the Connecticut National Guard.
The alternate care facilities is aimed for patients who are not ready to go home yet, but don't have to be on ventilators, but can also receive treatments like IVs and other therapies. 70 National Guard members were on site since 9 a.m., assembling what they hope to achieve up to 600 beds. Made out of a styrofoam-like material, Staff Sergeant Stephen Tucker with the National Guard says these beds have proven to be effective at Stanford Hospital.
It's almost like an IKEA bed in a box, really. So these things come off of the tractor trailers, and we open it up, and they're kind of it's almost like a bare bones kind of setup, and there's instructions inside.
Chief Clinical Integration Officer Dr. James Cardon says their goal, though, is to try to not use these beds.
We certainly have no desire to care for patients in this facility if we can avoid it.
Dr. Cardon says these beds were originally put up in April, but there was never a need to use them. Now that the numbers are rising because of the holidays, he added it can help out regional hospitals in terms of making more space available. The site will be staffed by Hartford HealthCare doctors, nurses, and therapists.
And it would mean that we are taking some people out of their regular jobs because they're all pretty busy now.
He is hoping the number of cases will taper off past the holidays, but it will take a couple of weeks before patients are allowed into the site.
The state is certainly bearing the cost of a lot of this setup and what we could to print the infrastructure. Hartford HealthCare, we're responsible for the cost of bringing what we're bringing to the facility.
Any patient whose condition worsens will be transferred to another hospital, and the Connecticut National Guard will be rebuilding this site from today until Sunday, starting at 6 a.m. on the weekends. In Hartford, Carmen Chow, Fox 61 News.